Hey everybody, thank you for coming back to Pete's Review and Rant channel. Today I'm going over this tool. My wife and I use it all the time. If you make a lot of guacamole in your house like we do, then you know how much of a problem it is sometimes to cut avocados up. This plastic tool is awesome. You can get it on Amazon. You just slice it right open. The plastic blade works great. Then you jam those three spiky things into the pit of it, or whatever you call it. And then this tool is great because it keeps you from having to peel the avocado. And I don't know if you've ever peeled an avocado, it's a pain in the rear. This scoops it out and slices it while you do it. It's really great. And you can just mash the skin on there, get it all out, put it in the bowl, whip it up, add your ingredients, whatever you got to do. This is an awesome tool. It's only $10 right now on Amazon.com. Like I say, I only review what we love. We use this tool all the time. It is dishwasher safe, and the plastic blade has not lost any of its sharpness. It slices that skin right open, and it pulls the pit of it right out. It's a great tool, and if you do Taco Tuesdays like we do, this is something you just got to have. Or if you do your avocado toast, which is what my wife always does. Thanks for watching, and check back in for more reviews. I appreciate the views, and I appreciate the subscribership. Please share this video if you can. Thank you.